Driving lessons. Defensive driving tips. Beware of places like turnover, crossing, and bus stops are vulnerable to accidents, as the road is slippery. In winter, try to maintain a proper distance. As in winter, fog is uneven and leads to visibility problem. In winter, road gets slippery due to the presence of snow, so it is advised to use clutch and brakes properly. During fog, don't use high beam headlight, always use low beam headlights. During fog, make sure that your headlights are on. This will help other drivers to have your vehicle visibility. Always remember to adhere to the signs and symbols on the roads. In case your vehicle starts drifting, don't panic and stop applying brakes. During winter, try to stop your vehicle with non-ABS, i.e. apply brakes together with downshift keys. During winter, slow your vehicle speed by twice that was in summer to get enough time if your car starts drifting. Get more defensive driving training from our best trainer at Car Learner. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.